What is up, guys? Brittany here with Britt's Hobby Shop, and check this out. Look at all this pocket change I have right here that I got out of my coin holder in my car. Now let me show you what pocket change could turn into if you find the right coin. Okay guys, so check this out. Now this might be a long shot, but in 1943, the mint traded out copper coins for steel because they were using the copper for the war. So if you find a 1943 copper coin, it is worth hundreds of thousands of dollars. All because they needed the copper to make bullets for the war. This is a once-in-a-lifetime thing, and you most likely may find another coin before you find this one, but this is great information to have just in case you come across one. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Happy hunting. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.